Hi guys, welcome to yet another video on this channel. If you're new here, you're welcome to the family. If you're returning, thank you so much for supporting this channel. I'm just going to be updating you guys on Microverse and the application and everything. So I went through the first trials, the first challenges. This included 4 coding challenges where I used JavaScript to solve the problems. So I did that, and once I was done with that, I was able to be paired with 3 other people, 3 individuals, who we also got to do with 2 coding challenges and a project, a HTML CSS project. They have 5 HTML CSS projects that you can pick from and create the website together. So I did that, and after every meeting you are expected to meet with the partners, each of them for at least 4 hours. So after meeting with them, you get to make a review of the people that you worked with. So I got to do that. I was able to work with them for 4+ hours. Some of them was 4+, others we just a little bit less than 4 hours. And then after that, you give a feedback on your partner, and if you think they're fit for the program, if they're good learners, if they're good collaborators, because Microverse offers collaborative learning. Hence, they need to know that the people they're bringing into the system will be able to learn collaboratively with other students. So yeah, I did that. Then after that, I was sent for interview questions. I had 5 interview questions. One was about how I would support myself financially, why Microverse should invest in me, just speaking about myself, answering questions on maybe the internet and stuff like that. They had like 5 questions just to get to know me better and also to see if I'm good for the program. Personally, I think because all the responses were video responses, I remember a few years back I was applying for something in Microsoft, and they wanted me to create a video introducing myself, and I wasn't able to because I was so bad on video and I was really scared. I was like camera shy, camera scared. But I realized that I wasn't even a bit scared to do the interview or to just anything else. I feel like me being on YouTube has really helped me become very conversant with making videos online. So I was able to do the interview real fast and just answer them. I didn't even go through them because I was just answering the questions the way they asked me. Okay, so there were 2 times that Microverse got back to me to just get more feedback on my responses. So for example, there's one of the people I partnered with. I didn't feel like, yes, they were good at what they did, but I didn't feel like like our personalities matched. There's one question where they ask, would you mind working with this individual again? And my response was, not sure. So they got back to me and asked me, why did I say not sure, yet I rated them as good at whatever they did? I was able to tell that I just changed my response to probably, because yeah. So other than that, I also got they needed more information after I did the 5-question interview, where they asked me what would be my solution in case I lost electricity or internet where I live, because they said they know that the area that I come from, that is Nairobi, Kenya, has power outages and issues with internet. I don't know, I guess Africa doesn't have such a good rep. Anyway, it was hard for me to find a solution of how I would deal with power loss. But of course, internet loss, there's always the option of mobile data. So yeah, other than that, I feel like the whole process is just like gearing you up for the best. They are very strict, they are very precise. They want precise answers. They follow up on everything. Like for example, my responses, they follow up on pretty much everything. And I feel if this is their energy even after you're done with the program, and that's their energy in you getting a new job, then I think that's great, because now you'll be able to get a job due to like their zeal and how they make sure everything gets done. So other than that, I'm just waiting for the response. If they accept me and they accept my responses, and if I did well on the interview, then I'll be able to join Microverse, and I will definitely keep every one of you updated. If you need to, if this is you've not watched my video that I made last week on Microverse and a bootcamp that allows you to pay the bootcamp after getting a job and not before, like other traditional bootcamps, then you can check out my video here. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.